In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $200 per hour using faceless YouTube channels without being monetized. I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a channel like this that can earn up to $200 per hour. What I'm going to be showing you today does not require any investments and it doesn't require any special skills to start. I'm going to be showing you two different niches that can be highly profitable for earning commissions through affiliate marketing. Because through affiliate marketing, you actually do not have to be monetized to earn income from it. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So the first niche that I'm going to be talking about is travel. Travel is a great niche for affiliate marketing because trips can become expensive really quickly, and earning even a small 1 to 5% commission on something like a $1,000, even $2,000 or $3,000 trip can lead to huge commissions. So for example, if someone spends $2,000 on a trip through your affiliate link and you earn a 5% commission through that link, then you can make $100 off of one single sale through your affiliate link that you're promoting. For step number one, I'm going to show you how to find affiliate links within the travel niche. So the first step is going to be going to a website called travelpayouts.com. So as we can see here on the website, travelpayouts.com is a website that offers affiliate links from over 100 different brands, and they're one of the best places to find affiliate links for traveling just because this website is like a one-stop shop, and it's a great website for these affiliate links because it has everything on one website and it just makes it easy to promote all your links from this one central hub. You don't have to go to 20 different websites to promote your links. You just go to this one and it makes everything easy and organized. So in order to get signed up to this website, we're just going to go to the top here where it says get started, then press on that. And then we're going to have to sign up with our email, which we'll do really quickly. Once you sign up, you'll be brought to this page where it says select your first 6 brands. And here's a bunch of different brands that you can choose from for different categories like flights, hotels, tours, transfers and airport services, etc. And it says right here the commission that you're going to get. So this one says 6%. This one is 5%. So for now, I'm going to click booking.com, Kiwi Taxi, trip.com, rentalcars.com, Omeo, and Viator. And now it's going to ask us if we own a website, but then we can just press this here. Because for this video, we're not going to be using a website. We're going to be using social media. So I'll just click that. And then there's a list here. So I'm just going to choose video platform. And then you can put the URL of your channel. And then we're in English. So now we have the page here of all the different affiliates that we chose, and a lot of them might not be suitable for a channel, and if that happens, you can just try different ones. It has a few suggestions here for different ones that we could use, so I'm just going to hit connect, and then that one ended up working, and these ones here are all in review. So for now, the important thing is that you have at least a few connected so that you can use affiliate links through those services. Once we've set that all up, you get to this dashboard here, and this will be important later on in the video for setting up affiliate links. And this dashboard here is pretty much a one-stop shop to getting all your affiliate links for your travel videos that I'm going to be showing you how to make without showing your face. So I found an example travel channel that I'm going to bring on screen now. And this channel here is very simple, and as you can see, it's completely faceless. So if we go down to the videos here and just look at them, they're completely faceless list videos, and some of them are getting huge amounts of views, like 300,000, 270,000, 6 million on this video. And I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a channel like this so that you can promote your affiliate links on YouTube. So the first step is going to be creating our channel, and I'm going to do that right now. So once we get to youtube.com, I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in, and I'm going to create an account for our travel channel. Okay, here's the channel I came up with. I just put a name called Top Travel. So now that I have this channel set up, I'm going to go and create a profile picture and a banner. Because this is looking pretty basic and we need to make it look a little bit more professional. So I'm going to go to a website called canva.com. And we're going to use it to create our profile picture and our YouTube banner. I'm going to click on social media, and then I'm going to search for YouTube channel, and right away a banner is going to come up and a logo. But I'm going to design the logo first. That way we can tie in the banner to our channel logo. So now we have the 800 by 800 pixel template. Down on the left side here, there's all kinds of great templates that we can use. I think this design looks pretty nice. I'm just going to change this up to something to fit our channel. Okay, there we go. This is a pretty decent profile picture. Now that we have a profile picture, I'm going to create a banner with a similar kind of design. So once again, I'm just going to go ahead and search for YouTube banner. And right here is a preset with the exact dimensions for a YouTube banner. So it's all set up for us already. And it's going to give us a ton of templates that we can use. I'm going to look for one that kind of matches the profile picture. And I think that this black banner here is going to work perfectly. So I'm just going to change it to top travel. Okay, now I have a pretty decent looking banner. I'm going to download that as well. Now we have a banner and a profile picture for our channel. I'm going to go ahead now and customize the channel a little bit. So we can go here to customize channel. In the YouTube studio right away, we can upload our banner and our picture. So I just uploaded the banner and the picture. I'm going to add a little bit of a description, what our channel's about. So in our case, I'm just going to write, welcome to your go-to hub for top travel videos. Now that our channel's looking pretty good, I'm going to get into the important part, which is how to make these travel list videos so that we can put our affiliate links in the description to earn commissions. So the first step is to go to InVideo AI. It's an AI software that we're going to be using to create our travel list videos. Here we are at the AI. I'm just going to give it a prompt to create me a top 10 travel list. And we could just put any country. I'm just going to say Germany. And make the video 10 minutes long with music in the background and a voice over. And now I'm just going to press generate a video and it's going to come up with the top 10 travel list video for us, all with one press of a button without having to create your own video. All you have to do is go to the AI and it does it for you. Okay, so now our travel video is done. It's a top 10 list and it says welcome to Germany. And if we go through, it's showing us all these different places in Germany. And we can even say to edit the video. So the video is 11 minutes long. So I'm going to go ahead and download the video and then we're going to upload it to our YouTube channel. Here's an example of the chapters that the video could have as well. So there's 10 different travel locations that we could put links to in the description so that if people think they want to travel there, they can go down to the description and click on the link and maybe they'll purchase tickets or rent a car or something through our links and we will be able to earn a commission. So we can go ahead and just press on the download button here. So now we're going to go back to the channel so that we can upload the video and I'll show you how to put the affiliate links in the description. So I'm going to go back to youtube.com. So here's our video and I'm just going to change this title. Of course, we don't want InVideo AI 1080 in the title anywhere. So I'm going to remove all of this and it actually looks pretty good already. Top 10 must visit places in Germany 2024. And we can change it a little bit. Top 10 videos and then I'm just going to add like don't miss out. A little disclaimer there just to make people enticed to click because they'll see that, oh, I don't want to miss out. And they'll click on the video. And here's the description. And this is the most important part. So I'm just going to add a little summary of what the video is about. I came up with a little description here. It's just a small summary of the video and it doesn't really matter, but it helps to put some keywords about, for example, Germany, so that when people are searching for Germany, this might come up. Now is the important part, which is the links that we're going to put into the description. So these are the affiliate links that we're actually going to earn a commission from. So we're going to go back to travelpayouts.com and I'm going to log back in. So here is our travel payouts dashboard. I'm just going to go to create a link. And now we can choose which program we want to create a link from. So we can create a link to Kiwi Taxi and we can put a sub ID as well. So if we took this link, it would bring us down here to Kiwi Taxi. So you could put the specific locations that are in the video, or you could just put the general link like this to Kiwi Taxi. So I'm just going to go down here and then put find travel information today. And then we can just add our links in. This all depends on how you want to do it. But as long as you take links from this website, what you can earn a commission on, then you can start to earn affiliate commissions from this channel without ever being monetized. Now we're going to move into the secondary faceless YouTube channel niche that I'm going to show you. And that niche is tech videos. Tech is a great niche on YouTube for earning affiliate commissions because products like laptops, computers, and smartphones can be high price ticket items, which means that we could earn a lot of money through commissions if we make videos promoting these products and people use our links when they purchase things like laptops and computers. So now I'm going to show you an example channel that I found. So here's a channel called Top Tech Now, and they make these top 10 list videos. And if we do look on one of these videos, we can click on this one right here, the top 5 best gaming TVs of 2024. And if we just go through it a bit and look at it, it is just a faceless video. There's nobody talking in the entire video, and all they do is talk about these top 5 PCs. And if we go down into the description, they have 5 different links for the TVs that they talked about, and these are affiliate links. It says right here that they're using Amazon affiliate links, so now we know that they are earning commissions by promoting these TVs through this video. Out of 24,000 views, we can estimate that at least 10 or 20 people went down to those links and bought a TV, which generated them some affiliate commissions.